It was once a dream for me na makasama si Angel, na maging kaibigan si Angel. Na hindi ko alam na hindi pala yun. So, ngayon na magkasama kami, it feels na parang...
It's a dream come true.
Oo, at the same time, parang hindi totoo pero nangyayari na. So, I never thought na pwede pala maging katotohanan ng mga
Panaginip. Tanong lamang, sa lahat ng mga babae sa industriya, sa lahat ng pwede mong makasama, bakit ang panaginip mo sa Angel of Sin?
Kasi she is every inch a woman.
You run your fingers across my lips. No, I've never felt like this before. No, no.
Hindi matanggal yung ngiti ko. Gusto naman ako.
Love. And I know an angel if I saw one. But I know very well, gentlemen don't kiss and tell. The promise I won't tell the world. If you say you want to be my girl.
Sino pinaka-sexy mo para sa'yo?
Secret.
Alam ko ba yun?
Naalala mo na sinabi ko sa'yo, may tingin ka na sa'yo lang.
Wow.
I'm just a simple man, simple plans.
I'm excited to settle down. I'm excited to have 4 more kids. I'm excited to spend the rest of my life with my wife.
Because you're heaven sent, independent. Do you think you need me? I think I need you, girl. Baby, can't you see? I know very well, gentlemen don't kiss and tell. I promise I won't tell the world. If you say you want to be my girl.
I'm really excited. I'm excited with the thought of being with someone, watching movies together, and just spending time together.
One thing I really like about her is yung love for her family na napaka-genuine.
I pray for this.
Wow, you're each other's answered prayer. Wow. Diyan kayo nagsisimula ang lahat?
Cards on the table, willing and able.
I'm always here. If you need a friend.
Kilala ko si Yolo noon pa, pero ang dami ko pang bagay na dapat malaman tungkol sa
I'm
kanya.
not complaining.
Sinakita ko ngayon, napakabuting tao, mabait na. Ba't yung ganyan? Yun naman, oh!
But I know very well, gentlemen don't kiss and tell. The promise I won't tell the world. If you say you want to be my girl.
Wow naman. Iba naman pag si Piolo nag-ibigay ng ganon, no? Pag yung tao may respeto, may pagmamahal sa magulang, ang taas sila ng So, binibawa ko.